How to download music on Android. All right, first things first. Open up whatever browser you normally use on your phone. Tap right up here on the search bar and type in ncs.io. Hit enter and let it load up. Once you're on the home page, you're going to see a ton of options. Tap on the search section and you'll see you can look for specific tracks, search by genres, or even search by your current mood. You can also filter it by regular or instrumentals. For this tutorial, I'm just going to filter it by regular. See that little play button on the left side of the track? Tap that to preview the music. If you don't vibe with it, just skip it and try another one until you find the perfect track. Once you find what you like, look right down at the bottom of your screen where the track info is, and you'll see a download button. Go ahead and tap that. The site will take you to the final download page. Just look for that official download button again, give it one more tap, and that's it. Now we just wait a couple of seconds for the progress bar to finish downloading. And there you go, it's officially saved. If you look inside your phone's native Files app under the Downloads or Audio folder, your new MP3 is sitting right there, ready to play offline whenever you want. If this video helped you out, hit that like button for me. Subscribe so we can hang out again, and let me know in the comments if it worked for you. Catch you in the next one.